Hey everyone, welcome to I Cook and Paint. I am so happy you're here because today we are going to make a biscuit cake. This cake really is made out of biscuits and it's probably the easiest one I've ever made. Not only that, but we're going to bake this cake in a pot and we're not even going to do it in the oven. We're doing it on the stovetop. So does that still make it baking? I don't know, you be the judge. Hopefully this recipe will put a smile on your face and help you cope with these really hard times. Now the biscuits I'm using today are Parle-G, and these can be bought pretty much anywhere around here, but if you can't find them, I've placed a link in the description down below where you can order them. Now this here is a 300-gram package of Parle-G biscuits. There's 4 sleeves of 15 biscuits each. So we're gonna use the whole entire pack. We're using 60 biscuits. You have to grind your biscuits to a fine powder. Apparently the G stands for genius. I did not know that. Clearly I am not a genius. You can use any biscuit to make this cake. Oreos work really great. Any type of cream sandwich cookie, go ahead and throw it in, cream and everything. It'll work great. So now I have this bowl of really fine Parle-G powder, and now you have to add milk to this. So we're going to add 1 cup of milk, but we're going to do it slowly. If you add it in all at once, then it doesn't give you a chance to get rid of any big lumps. It should be kind of a stiff dough at first, and then just keep gradually adding your milk until you use all of it. Now this here is a little bit thick, so I'm gonna add just another couple of tablespoons of milk. It's all about improvising, right? Now mix this for about a minute or so until the batter looks really smooth. So that's the consistency we're looking for right there. Really nice and smooth. Now we have to prepare our pot. You wanna go for a fairly heavy bottomed, this is a stainless steel pot. We have to grease the bottom with oil and line it with parchment paper. So don't forget the sides too. Alright, now we're going to take our batter and we need to add some leavener to it. So here I have half a teaspoon of baking soda and then add a little bit of milk on top just to wet it and then stir it in. It just dissolves better that way. And now we're going to just pour this batter right into our pot. Oh wow. Alright, now we're gonna cover this. Your lid has one of those steam vents on it, those little holes. You want to take a little piece of tin foil or wax paper, roll it into a little plug, so to speak, and then just cover up that little hole. Alright, now you want to set this to the absolute lowest temperature your stove will go. Alright, so this is now on the lowest setting and we're going to check back in about 40 minutes to see what it looks like. Now if you want to try out this cake but you don't want to cook it in a pot, you'd rather use your oven instead, just bake it in a preheated 350 Fahrenheit oven for 25 to 30 minutes. There's how it looks. Oh wow, it looks just like a regular cake. I'm gonna let it cool for a few minutes and then I'll take it out of the pot. It seems to have a pretty soft texture. So I have a plate ready here and we're just gonna take it right out. Oh, that's beautiful. There we go. The paper stayed right in the pot and it came out in this nice, perfect layer. It is still quite warm, but that's okay. It is very soft. So I'll show you this piece here. Ooh, look at that. It's soft, spongy. I would never believe it. Tell me that this was baked in a pot on the stove? No. Well, there you have it, guys. This really was a fun little kitchen thing to do during this time of uncertainty. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share it with your friends if you did. Until next time, be safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.